Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain whether gift cards need activation and how to handle it step by step. Step 1. Understand the type of gift card you have. Most physical gift cards purchased in stores require activation at the point of sale, while digital gift cards are usually activated automatically when purchased online. Step 2. Check your receipt or confirmation email. For physical cards, the cashier typically activates the card during checkout. For digital cards, the activation is done by the issuer once payment is confirmed. Step 3. Inspect the card for instructions. Many gift cards have a note on the back indicating if activation is required before use, along with a phone number or website for activation. Step 4. Visit the official activation website or call the provided number if the card is not yet activated. Make sure you use only the official channels to avoid scams. Step 5. Enter the card details as instructed. This may include the card number, PIN, or code. Double check for typos to ensure successful activation. Step 6. Confirm activation. The system or service will verify the card and let you know if it's ready to use. Check your balance if possible to ensure the funds are available. Step 7. Keep your card and activation confirmation safe. Once activated, you can use it for online or in-store purchases according to the card's terms. That's it. Understanding and completing activation ensures your gift card works smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.